Hey guys, so I didn't want to have that all in one video. I know that's 19 minutes, and that's the two sections. So let's go ahead and get this one done before the lunch bell rings. All right, so there's going to be one from 1 through 4. These are already factored. Okay, easy peasy, hopefully. 5 through 28, there is only going to be one of these now, and that's going to be where you have to factor one of the trinomials down. And it really doesn't matter. We'll pick a more complex one. So let's go ahead and do, I'm looking for a complex one. These are easy. Hang on a minute. The one that I'm going to do with you guys is going to be, let's do this one. So I've got x squared plus 5x plus 4 is greater than 0. Okay, so the very first thing I need to do is factor this. So this is going to give me x plus 4 and x plus 1 greater than 0 because the factors of 4 that give me 5 are 4 and 1. Okay, now I need to look at a number line and see what my intervals should be, but I need to press pause on that because I need to solve this. So we've got x plus 4 equals 0 and x plus 1 equals 0. So x is negative 4 and x is negative 1. Okay, now we can put it on the number line. Okay, and I need to test a number that's in this section, a number in this section, and a number in this section. All right. So you can do it with the numbers above, like I showed you third hour, or you can pick a number and do the XY table. Okay, so a number between negative 4 and negative infinity would be like negative 5, between negative 4 and negative 1, negative 2, and between negative 1 and infinity, I would go with 0. So now I'm plugging this number in to the original equation, and negative 5 squared is 25, minus 25 is 0, plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 10 is negative 2, and then plugging in 0 gives me 4. All right, so this is positive, this one's negative, and this one's positive. Okay, back over here, I'm wanting those things that are greater than 0. Well, they're greater than 0 where the values are positive. So that's going to be here and here. And I'm going to write that in interval notation, negative infinity to negative 4, and negative 1 to infinity. Okay, so let's see. That's going to be 5 through 28. 35 to 40. This is going to be the exact same thing, except you have to factor them out before. So not hard. And then for 43 to 52, you are going to take this and you're going to separate them and find the value for 0 for each of those. And so then we use this to do our intervals, so negative 4 and 0. And I'm going to use a XY table, so negative 5, negative 2, and 1. Just a number here, a number here, and a number here. So plugging this in, negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1, over negative 5 is going to give me a positive 1/5. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2, and then 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. And then plugging in 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 divided by 1 is 5. Okay, and we are wanting where it's greater than 0. So it's greater than 0 where the values are positive. So we are going to shade this part here, and you are going to write it as negative infinity to negative 4, and then 0 to infinity. Okay, that's everything. Oh, there's one from 53 and 54. It's already factored for you, so it's just like this one. It just has an extra expression that you'd have to take into consideration. Okay, I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions.